I'm being super busy. I have to come upstairs for a minute, doing laundry and taking care of stuff. So bird's eye view. I talked him into mowing. He didn't want to, but definitely down there needs to be done. I can do this stuff up here myself, but down on the hill, it's harder. So I just fed the birds again, and I'm tired. I vacuumed the downstairs, I vacuumed the upstairs, and I washed the dishes, obviously. Like I said, I wasn't here yesterday, so things piled up. And then, what else I did? Laundry. I did 2 loads of the clothes. I did the bedding, emptied trash, emptied recycle. Tomorrow I'm going to wash the kitchen floor and the dining room floor. Just trying to get it somewhat clean. Hopefully, I asked him a couple times to please not track all this grass into the house since I just vacuumed, so I think he'll be alright. Yeah. Got all kinds of tools out. That'll probably end up in the living room. Yeah. What a mess. He's working so hard. Alright guys. Probably the last bit. I don't know. Don't know if we'll have any bats tonight. Certainly got a lot of mosquitoes. Peace out.